Your brain is silently losing its sharpness, and you might not notice until it's too late. Today, I'll reveal the most overlooked daily habit that's quietly erasing your memory and accelerating cognitive decline, and the simple steps to protect your mind for decades to come. Most people think memory loss is just a natural part of aging, but here's what research shows us. The brain has an incredible ability to maintain its function well into our 90s, provided we avoid certain hidden dangers. The problem is, one of the biggest threats to your cognitive health happens so gradually that you don't feel it happening. Here's the part most people miss. Chronic sleep deprivation doesn't just make you tired the next day. It actually begins destroying brain tissue. During deep sleep, your brain activates what scientists call the glymphatic system, essentially a cleaning crew that washes away toxic proteins, including the amyloid plaques linked to dementia. When you consistently get less than 7 hours of quality sleep, this cleaning process becomes severely impaired. Think of it like this. Imagine never taking out your household garbage. Over weeks and months, the accumulated waste would make your home uninhabitable. Your brain faces a similar crisis when sleep deprivation prevents proper cellular cleanup. The toxic buildup begins damaging neurons, disrupting communication between brain cells, and gradually eroding your memory, focus, and decision-making abilities. But the real issue extends beyond just sleep quantity. It's about sleep consistency and quality. Many people pride themselves on functioning on 4 to 5 hours of sleep, not realizing they're systematically damaging their brain's architecture. This pattern is particularly dangerous after age 40, when natural brain resilience begins to decline. In Japanese health culture, there's a deep understanding of sleep as restoration, the idea that proper rest isn't luxury, but essential maintenance for both body and mind. This wisdom aligns perfectly with what neuroscience now confirms. Consistent, quality sleep is non-negotiable for long-term brain health. The sleep-brain connection works through several critical mechanisms. During deep sleep stages, your brain consolidates memories, moving important information from temporary storage to long-term memory networks. Blood flow increases to brain regions responsible for learning and creativity. Growth hormone is released, promoting neural repair and new cell formation. Here's what happens when this process breaks down. Within just 1 week of poor sleep, your brain begins showing measurable changes in areas responsible for attention and memory. After months or years, these changes can become permanent. The hippocampus, your brain's memory center, literally begins to shrink. Inflammation increases throughout brain tissue. The blood-brain barrier becomes more permeable, allowing harmful substances to enter. In a moment, I'll show you the key warning signs that sleep deprivation is already affecting your cognitive function. Many people dismiss these early signals as just stress or getting older, but recognizing them early can prevent serious decline. The warning signs include difficulty concentrating on tasks that were once easy, frequently forgetting where you placed common items, trouble following conversations or losing your train of thought, increased irritability or emotional volatility, and taking longer to make simple decisions. These aren't normal aging, they're red flags that your brain isn't getting the restorative sleep it desperately needs. But here's the encouraging news. Unlike many health conditions, sleep-related cognitive decline is largely reversible in its early stages. Your brain has remarkable plasticity, meaning it can rebuild and strengthen neural connections when given proper rest and recovery. The solution starts with understanding that good sleep isn't just about lying in bed for 8 hours. It's about creating conditions for deep, restorative sleep cycles. This means maintaining consistent sleep and wake times, even on weekends. Your brain thrives on predictability, and irregular sleep schedules confuse your internal clock, making quality rest nearly impossible. Temperature regulation plays a crucial role. Your body needs to cool down by 2 to 3 degrees to initiate deep sleep. This is why the Japanese tradition of evening baths isn't just relaxing, it actually helps trigger the temperature drop that signals your brain. It's time for deep rest. The key is timing. A warm bath. 90 minutes before bed allows your body temperature to drop naturally as you dry off and cool down. Light exposure is equally critical. Morning sunlight exposure helps regulate your circadian rhythm, while evening blue light from screens disrupts melatonin production. Creating a wind-down routine that includes dimming lights and avoiding screens for at least an hour before bed can dramatically improve sleep quality. Physical activity during the day supports better sleep at night, but timing matters. The Japanese approach of incorporating gentle movement throughout the day, whether through walking, stretching, or simple strength exercises, promotes better sleep without the overstimulation that intense evening workouts can cause. Nutrition also affects sleep quality and brain health. Avoiding large meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime allows your digestive system to rest, while your brain focuses on its cleaning and repair work. The practice of eating until you're about 80% full, common in Japanese culture, supports both digestive health and better sleep quality. Here's the part that many people overlook. Stress management is inseparable from quality sleep. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, which directly interferes with deep sleep stages. Simple stress reduction practices, whether through brief meditation, gentle stretching, or even just a few minutes of deep breathing, can significantly improve sleep quality and brain protection. The sleep environment itself deserves attention. Your bedroom should be cool, dark, and quiet. Investing in blackout curtains, a comfortable mattress, and eliminating electronic devices can transform your sleep quality. Even small improvements in your sleep environment can have profound effects on cognitive function. If you're taking medications, discuss their sleep effects with your healthcare provider. Many common medications, from antihistamines to blood pressure drugs, can interfere with natural sleep cycles. Sometimes, simple timing adjustments or alternative options can preserve both your health and your sleep quality. Age-related sleep changes are normal, but severe sleep disruption isn't inevitable. While older adults may experience lighter sleep and more frequent wakings, the fundamental need for restorative sleep remains constant throughout life. Addressing sleep problems proactively can prevent or slow age-related cognitive decline. The bottom line is this: protecting your brain starts with protecting your sleep. Every night of quality rest is an investment in your future cognitive function, memory, and mental clarity. The brain you have at 70, 80, or 90 is largely determined by how well you sleep in the decades leading up to those years. This content is for general educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. If you experience persistent sleep problems, memory concerns, or other cognitive symptoms, consult with a qualified healthcare provider for proper evaluation and treatment. Starting tonight, you can begin protecting your brain's future. Consistent quality sleep isn't just about feeling rested tomorrow. It's about maintaining your mental sharpness, memory, and cognitive vitality for decades to come. Your brain performs its most critical maintenance work while you sleep, and giving it that opportunity is one of the most powerful things you can do for your long-term health. If this information was helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more evidence-based health content. What's one change you're willing to make tonight to improve your sleep quality? Share your thoughts in the comments below.